Mutle K. Uda go re botsa nga track ya no fe Ammbudze. Ndi track ena feature Romeo, feature na Fizzy. Romeo ndo lawa o feature ka Dia Alcohol nga Dax. Being involved in that matter generally it needed a lot, man.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what we feature of la ndi banji and ndi banga na mo general. Hello Mutle K.
Hey.
Welcome to the Street Podcast.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, hey. Hey, you got a brand new track in your feature Romeo, your feature na Fizzy. The track in your kwamba nga vola vida vindi ko fo kwamba zo fara na no troveza no puteza.
Yes.
Hey, track ya this animal, okay?
So it's obviously the love song, right?
Yeah.
So how it came about is that Fizzy got beat and then he did the chorus, ne?
Yeah.
And then sent a project Yo Mutleke, here's a beat, here's a chorus, give me something.
Do you think?
So I'm like, okay.
Yeah. Sorry to catch you there. Do you think this song took you out of your comfort zone, or you were still within your boundaries?
To tell you the truth, it was definitely out of my comfort zone. If there's one thing that Fizzy does so well with me, he literally takes me off completely from what I'm used to or what I do normally. So yeah, it was a bit of a challenge for me.
Yeah, but as no Fizzy achibamba ngazolisiwa. Azibona izo reasons bazikori biases ngori chibo dziri zenzi ngibona bari sezori are you really ngongolisiwa ini yuri
I was ndione lufuno lukha 100, you know, so ubokuba kwami wachimwe na chimwe fela lufuno nduri luba lukhoduga luya lwa 100 uzusa to yourself to color.
Yeah, conversation achirudidza udo wachibopi ngona ndikudidza muthu akobika kitchen ni shon kombori ndimbo dianga ngei agogoma weni ndikuye na gapu chete.
I know you must look at the duga, but no, it's
Mutle?
I think we lost Mutle.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
We
can hear you now.
Sorry. Yeah, so I was saying it's not in a literal sense it's figuratively.
Yeah. And I think most people but they were Mutle K rapper. And the reason why I asked that question comfort zone, you know? Is because I heard you were singing on this song. So what makes you sing Karuri Imbo?
Like switch from the rapping
it was a challenge that Fizzy gave to me. It's like let's see if you can sing on this. But if you wanna rap, if you wanna do what you want, it's okay. But like I just wanted to give you a challenge. I'm like, no. Bring on the challenge. I'll take it on.
Yeah,
so
nice,
that's why I sang and it came out nice. So I'm happy with it.
And you got Romeo on the song.
Of course.
How did that come about? How did that come about, Romeo and Ajeneka Ruyimbo?
So after I did my verse, I sent back the project to Fizzy.
Yeah.
And then it was actually a surprise. I didn't even know. Then when Fizzy sent me back the song, I'm like, what?
Romeo was there.
When he sent me back the full song, you compare Romeo on the last verse, I went bananas. I went absolutely crazy. I was not expecting it. It was a surprise to me. But it was a great one. I mean, I love Romeo's music. He is great, you know. So I was like surprised.
Magi wakotoda mazware.
Bogile wakotoda mazware.
Akorona nga chizuru nyana nga chimini changana.
He went crazy on his verse. I was very happy. I was very surprised. Yeah.
I think one thing that I liked about the song was the beat itself. Like it really aligned with what was being said, the Karuyimbo, and it has that vibe because the first thing when I listened, try to play the song, and then there was a phone call playing, and then my dropper, then Fizzy came in with the chorus. I'm like, okay, I know Fizi kills the chorus.
Yeah.
Like, he goes all out. I didn't even know he made the beat.
He's good.
Oh,
he's
he
good.
did.
Yeah, because I know Fizi when it comes to the beat is crazy. Like,
yeah,
I got that adrenaline. And next thing, I'm still listening to Fizi. You come with your verse, and I'm like, okay. Now she's taking my Fiona to Nema Media. And now she's switching it around.
Yeah. I wanted to give it that feel. You know what? In the olden days, yes, mostly who would approach a girl and say all those things, baritame. But why can't we do the same? Why can't why can't I approach you and say, yo?
True. It's a new world.
Yeah.
It's a new world.
It's a new world.
Living in the new century, exactly.
And I think people have been preaching 50-50, but they have never been put it
but
in
they've
action.
Never really
on this song, it's there.
Yeah, and this song, what you did on the song, it shows the initiative that you want to be, to tell your person that you love them and you are ready to hold the fort to make it.
I'm right here. This is me.
Definitely, I'm not one to shy away from telling a person, from fetching a person and say, yo, this is how I feel.
True. So from Muhle K, can we expect something from now, like
a music video
album,
of this song?
Music video, EP? What are your plans?
Because I want the music video.
So currently, I'm trying to get these two gems together so we can actually shoot a music video for this track. It will be so dope. I would actually love that. And I've got some unreleased material. There's another one where I am with Fizi. And I'm singing on that one as well.
Oh,
so
nice.
I think I fell in love with singing now. But yeah. And then of course I've got others that are unreleased where I'm on my comfort zone.
Yeah, where you're rapping and you're flexing, those type of things. Yeah, we definitely want to see a music video, man.
Yeah.
I think I wanna from our as Venrap kana muzika washu venda or rapper. I don't think there are too many ladies who are
we don't have
putting in some work, and we really appreciate having ladies like you, female like you, women like you who are willing to put themselves up to say, you know what, I want to be the face of muzika washwa hip hop. If ukobuswa muzika wa hip hop wa venda kaba fumakadzi, guys, come to me. I will show you that this is how we do it.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we as girls have to be out there as well, you know. We need to represent.
True. Rimbolwa, where do you want it, guy?
It's on all digital platforms. Your iTunes, YouTube, Spotify. These are all of them. It's all there.
Fast.
Ammbudze or just Muhle K. They will quickly find it there.
And they will see all other songs that you have released.
And then they will see all my other songs because they're also available on all digital platforms.
Nice one. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok.
Welcome to Twitter.
Twitter is a mean world. Oh my goodness.
But welcome.
I've actually been very reluctant to open a Twitter account, but then I was advised by my managers, like, yo, open it, you know. So anyway, on all my social platforms, it's Muhle_K, K as in K-A-Y. Yeah, on all of them, it's Muhle_K, and you'll find me there. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok even,
Nice one. Do you reply to people? Do you reply to inboxes when people trying to...
If it's business related, best believe I reply. But if people are coming in sideways, I'm socially awkward. So when people come at me sideways, I don't know.
So for business, bakwama Muhle K directly, or they can call your manager. You can give them the numbers.
Okay, for business, you can either go direct, DM me on my pages. Or you can contact my manager, SP. I'm just trying to get his number. Oh my goodness, so sorry.
Okay, SP Ndibo Mareba.
Yes, Mr. Visionary himself.
Okay, Mr. Visionary. I think we have the numbers. We'll drop them here on the
yeah,
screen.
Okay, so the number,
he's our boy.
Yeah, the number, yeah.
Okay, so his number is 081 759 3107. I'll repeat it. It's 081 759 3107.
Nice one, nice one. Mutleke kaise panda no imerera bafumakadzi ka muzika wa hip hop, and we see all your great work that you're doing, and keep doing it. And if there's other women who also want to be where you are in terms of music and in terms of being motivated, please also help them and show them the way, because you are the person who have paved that for now.
Yeah, you're leading the way right now. Like you're doing great, and then I mean, like going to singing and rapping, it also gives you more space, because now you like people realize like, okay, she can sing. Let her put us on our piano. Let's put her in a house. Let's put her in a hip hop. Like you can do other things, because now people understand that you don't just rap.
Yeah, true, very true. Thank you so much, guys.
But before you go, I have one question that I want to ask you.
Let's go.
Do you feel like there's a difference between a male rapper and a female rapper?
So I feel like there's a difference.
Yeah. Do you feel like there's some type of mistreating between female artists and male
definitely.
artists?
Oh, definitely. I'll just make one quick example. For example, with niggas, niggas can literally rap about anything and say anything that they want. And then, especially rapping about ladies, they will say, yo, bitch this, bitch that. Sorry for the language. And then when I now turn around and actually own that and say, yo, this is Musheke, and then I start rapping, this is that bitch and whatever, and then I dress a certain type of way, then they come sideways like how, and then why is she naked, why is she like this? But in your own raps, you say it, I'ma lick that pussy, I'ma do this, I'ma do that, and then when I take ownership of it, now you have a problem, you know?
Yeah,
that was just a quick example, but
No, I really understand that, but I think mostly people that most of the rappers that does that, there's rappers that will say things, but they don't want to own to what they say.
Exactly.
When a woman now retaliate or say something,
it's a problem.
They actually lose their balls.
Exactly. So I definitely do think that
So most people don't find comfortability when women become aggressive.
Yeah. But do you feel like all this is because of how Venda, they were raised in terms of being morality? Do you think people expect you to have morals when you're rapping and be like instead of being what your music is about?
Yeah. You know what? I think when it comes to Venda culturally, when they look at a woman, I don't know if it's a stereotype, but I do think that there is some type of truth to it. When they look at a Venda woman, they're expecting that submissive, humble, respecting, always looking down, always fully dressed and whatever. Now come Mushe, dressed in hot shorts and a bra, and she's rapping that Tshivenda. They're like, which one is this one now? And what guy are you? What guy? So I think when it comes to Venda, I think we still have, or they still have that mentality or men. Venda women.
No, I think Marane, when I look at it, it's across.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's across how most people, like around the world, they don't expect women to stand up for themselves. They don't expect women to voice out. Mostly, I'm gonna put it like this: when a man is weak, they always expect to use physical to defend. You know, and then they always become aggressive. They don't want to listen to what a woman is saying.
Exactly.
So if a woman is rapping, that's why there's this lady that she's dominating social YouTube and what, but nobody have ever seen her face. because based on her culture, she can't show the face.
Okay. You see?
But you'll find her on all the gangster guns and stuff. But there's one thing, she's always covering the face because they say she can't. If she has to reveal the face, she has to get enough money to move out of the country.
Yeah,
you
true.
see,
So,
and I find that really unfair, if we're being honest, because then where is the freedom of expression? Where is the freedom in totality of it?
but one thing I can tell you, Mutleke, people love your song, people love you. It doesn't matter female or male.
Mama's boy has made it a ringtone. Our producer is using it as a ringtone.
And the fact that you're working with other male in the industry, it shows that they respect you and they really see you as their core worker, if I can put it like that, within the music industry. And people love you, man. People love you. Don't stop what you're doing. Keep doing it and keep releasing music, because we need more females.
Want more music.
Who are putting out music.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate this. This has been fun. Thank you so much.
Abeshapi Mutleke, thank you for answering our call and keep pushing. We'll also push your songs as well.
Podcast.
Thank you so much, guys. All right. Have a good one then.